Does every woman truly have equal access to justice in India? The law clearly says yes. The Constitution guarantees equality before the law and equal protection of the laws to every individual, including every woman. In principle, justice must be accessible to all, without discrimination based on gender, social status, or economic condition. But in reality, access to justice is not always equal. Many women face barriers that make it difficult to seek legal help. These barriers may include lack of awareness about legal rights, financial limitations, social pressure, fear of stigma, or even fear of retaliation. In some situations, women may hesitate to report crimes or pursue legal remedies because of family pressure or societal expectations. Recognizing these challenges, Indian law has introduced several safeguards to improve access to justice for women. For example, there are provisions for free legal aid for those who cannot afford a lawyer. Legal services authorities at various levels help women access legal representation without cost. This ensures that justice is not limited only to those who have financial resources. There are also special laws and procedures designed to protect women during legal processes. In certain cases, statements of women must be recorded in a sensitive and respectful manner. In serious offenses, in-camera proceedings may be conducted to protect privacy and dignity. Police authorities are also required to follow specific guidelines while dealing with complaints involving women. For example, in certain situations, a woman has the right to record her statement at her residence or in a place of her choice, especially when safety or dignity is a concern. Courts, too, play an important role. The judiciary has repeatedly emphasized that access to justice is a fundamental right. This means that the legal system must remain approachable, fair, and responsive to the needs of women. However, legal provisions alone are not enough. True access to justice depends on awareness, confidence, and the willingness to seek help. When women understand their rights, they are better equipped to take legal action when needed. So while the law provides equal access to justice, the real challenge is ensuring that this access becomes practical and meaningful for every woman in society. Legal awareness is the first step towards true equality. Indian laws explained: know your rights, understand your responsibilities.